Hey there, meat lovers. Today I'm going to show you how to master the magnificent tomahawk steak. Trust me, this is the king of all steaks, and once you nail this, you'll be the grill boss of your neighborhood. So here's what you'll need. 2 tomahawk steaks, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. For the compound butter, grab 8 tablespoons of room temperature salted butter, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon of minced fresh rosemary, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. First things first, fire up your grill to the highest heat. And while that's heating up, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Now, let's season our steaks. Be generous with the salt and pepper. Use about a teaspoon per pound of steak. Make sure you get the top, bottom, and all the sides. This is a thick steak, so don't skimp on the seasoning. Next up, the sear. Sear the steak for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, letting the flames kiss the sides. You'll know it's ready to flip when it releases easily from the grill. Once you've got that perfect sear, transfer the steak to a baking sheet. Pop it in the preheated oven and bake until the steak reaches an internal temperature of 130 degrees. This usually takes around 30 minutes, but to be sure, use a meat thermometer. You want that accuracy, trust me. While your steak is cooking, let's make that compound butter. In a bowl, combine the butter, garlic, parsley, rosemary, salt, pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. Mix until it's well blended. When your steak is done, let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This step is crucial as it allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat. After resting, spoon 1 to 2 tablespoons of that delicious compound butter onto the steak. Finally, slice and serve. There you have it, the perfect tomahawk steak. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Oh, and a quick tip, the tomahawk steak is essentially a bone-in ribeye steak, taken from the rib section with the large rib bone still attached. Its appearance resembles that of a tomahawk axe. Having the bone-in actually insulates the meat while it cooks, making it more moist and tender. You can find these beauties at many butcher shops, higher-end grocery stores, or even online. Thanks for watching. Happy grilling.